Hi, I'm your girl Samantha, Mary Kay Beauty Consultant. I'm here today to share with you Mary Kay Foundation. Now I've just finished cleansing my face using the TimeWise skin repair system. And after I finish that, I always finish off my skincare by using foundation. Foundation is skincare, it's a protection for your face. So before beginning that, we start with primer. Now the primer is good. It fills up all the impurities in your face and any lines, and it also helps with oil build-up in your face. So you just take a little goes a long way, and just put it on the T-zone areas and just work it in. Okay. Right. So that's the Mary Kay primer. Now take the foundation with my foundation brush, and the colour I'm using is C150. And how I match that, I normally match it to your jawline. So I just pour a little bit on that. You can see I've been using this a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. And I put it on T-zone areas on my lids. Okay, don't put on your hairline, okay? Just put it on there. And then you start working the foundation in, blending. Blend towards your hairline. Take time over the eyes. And then you put downward strokes. Because your hair grows downwards, that's why you do downward strokes. I include my mouth and my jawline, but I don't put on my neck. So just blend it in. The beauty of the foundation is that you can put as many layers as you like and how you want it. But this is a matte one. There we go. Voila. Foundation. Right, this is lightweight and it lasts for 12 hours. It's available in various colours, matte and luminous. It has vitamin B3 and it has age-defying peptides. So I can't even feel it on my face. So I'll have it on all day, and then when it comes to night time, I'll then use my TimeWise skin repair, and I will take it off. Anyway, thank you. If you would like to know more about how to create a flawless finish, contact with me, your girl Samantha. Have a blessed day.